For years, we thought Yellowstone was just one giant lava balloon waiting to pop. Then 2025 happened, and scientists discovered something that will blow your mind. It turns out there isn't just one magma chamber, there are two. And the new one they found is 4.5 times bigger than anything we have ever seen. This isn't some boring science update. This is the craziest plot twist of all time. Before you click away, just imagine this. There are 11,200 cubic miles of super hot rock sitting miles under your feet. That is enough lava to bury the entire state of Texas 3 feet deep. Scientists measured it and literally could not believe their eyes. And today, we're unpacking what this giant second magma tank means for a massive eruption. Are you ready? Let's go. It all started with a ton of tiny earthquakes nobody even felt. These quakes let scientists see something completely hidden. And by March, they dropped a bombshell. They found a second magma chamber shaped like a giant pancake, 30 by 44 miles across. People were hiking right on top of this thing with no idea they were standing over the biggest volcanic system on planet Earth. That other chamber we knew about. It's now the little brother. This new chamber is leaking magma upwards, basically recharging the top one over and over again, and we never knew it was happening. So, more magma means a bigger explosion, right? Wrong. Having more lava doesn't automatically mean boom. The top chamber is like an open soda, can the pressure escapes, so it's pretty chill. The new, giant chamber is like super thick oatmeal. It can't explode like in the movies. But this is a huge, but this new discovery means the top chamber could refill in decades instead of centuries. That's so much faster. So, is an eruption coming? The odds are still the same. A tiny 1 in 700,000 chance. But the long-term game just got way more intense. I sent my team to Yellowstone to see if anything has changed, and you won't believe it. It's completely normal. Bison are walking around. People are taking selfies with geysers. Everything is fine. The ground has barely moved, and there are no warning signs. The only crazy thing that happened was a hot spring that literally started throwing rocks the size of beach balls. But that was just steam, not magma. All the insane stuff is happening 20 miles underground where nobody can even feel it. Finding a secret magma chamber is one thing, but watching it 24/7 is the next challenge. So scientists gave Yellowstone the most insane tech upgrade ever. They installed a 200 sensor array, microphones that can literally hear the ground moving, and thermal cameras streaming every single degree of temperature change. It's like we put a giant Fitbit on a super volcano. We're getting insane amounts of data, and a new AI can spot danger in minutes. If this volcano ever starts to wake up, we will know instantly. If you think this is insane and want to see what happens next, subscribe right now and ring that bell, because things could change at any moment. And you'll want a front row seat for our next update. You guys always ask for the craziest challenge. So here it is. The worst case scenario. If the main chamber hits 50% melt and blows, it would be the most insane event in human history. First, thousands of earthquakes a day would rock the area. The ground would rise by several feet. Then, boom, it would blast out 1,000 cubic miles of magma. Ash would bury the entire Midwest, collapsing roofs in Kansas. The entire planet would get colder for years. Could it happen? Geologically, yes. Will you see it? The odds are slimmer than winning the lottery. You'd be more likely to get struck by lightning 100 times. Forget the super eruption. I'm going to show you the things that actually harm people at Yellowstone. It's not the volcano. In 2022, tourists died just by stepping into a boiling hot spring. In 2019, a geyser exploded and shredded a sign with flying rocks. The real danger is getting too close to a bison or just falling off a walkway. So the real challenge at Yellowstone isn't surviving a volcano, it's finding a parking spot at Old Faithful. This Yellowstone discovery isn't just for America, this changes the game for the entire world. There are other sleeping giants in places like Italy and New Zealand. Figuring out Yellowstone gives us the ultimate cheat sheet to predict when they might erupt. And all the crazy tech we built for this, the AI. The sensors can be used to make airplanes and buildings safer everywhere. When Yellowstone science levels up, the whole world levels up with it. If you love these insane facts, smash that like button for the algorithm. And for our next video, I want you to give me a challenge. Drop a comment with the craziest question you have about volcanoes, and I'll answer the most liked comment. Go! So, here's the final 2025 scorecard. Upper magma chamber, still huge. Lower magma chamber, absolutely colossal. Odds of eruption this year, still 1 in 700,000. Our ability to watch it, better than ever. This discovery didn't give us a doomsday clock. It gave us a better map. And with a better map, we get smarter science, and a big enough warning if this beast ever decides to wake up. Until then, enjoy the park, because the ground beneath your feet just got a million times more interesting.